Sam Altman bold vision, revolutionizing the production of AI chips. Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, has set his sights on transforming the semiconductor industry by securing trillions of dollars to boost AI chip production. Recognizing the scarcity of AI chips for training language models like ChatGPT, Altman's ambitious initiative requires $5 trillion to $7 trillion. Altman is actively engaging in discussions with investors, including those from the United Arab Emirates, to secure the funding. He proposes partnerships that involve investors, chipmakers, and power providers to meet the requirements of this endeavor. Despite OpenAI revenue growth, reaching a figure of $1.6 billion in December, Altman's fundraising ambitions surpass typical expectations. However, the scale of this initiative poses challenges. There are still uncertainties surrounding Altman's progress in fundraising and whether he has secured commitments toward achieving his funding goal. This uncertainty comes at a time when projections are indicating an increase in chip sales as reported by the Semiconductor Industry Association.